Hello everyone, I'm Jantalakan Jantawong. You can call me Bokbak. Welcome to my video. What it's all about today is dance. I'm going to open my bag to you guys. What is my bag? We are going to see dance. Here is my to-go and my favorite bag at this moment. Because I don't know why, but I'm in love with my bag. It's cheap. I mean, and affordable. It's kind of very strong. Because you can put like everything in there. Okay, let's get started. Next, of course, next, this one's water bottle, and first was inside have first ID and driving gas. Of course, I saw tourists don't let you see. Okay, next, this is expanding size. Inside, some paper and some gas. Okay, next, this is my eyeglasses. Yes. Okay, next. This one's mobile phone charger and earpiece. Oh. Next, I have two little toys. It's so cute. Yes. I hope it's SOS toys because I have everything my needs like emergency sources. This is some my medication. Oh, mostly is like my medication and pasta. Yes, I have alcohol gel and alcohol spray. This is plaster. This is lighter. I have hand cream, my lipstick, and lip balm. You cannot live without the lip balm. Innisfree is very good. Oh, of course, a small bottle of perfume. Okay, next pouch. Inside have glass and some coins. Okay, lastly, the most important thing is tablet and my phone. Okay, these are in my bag. Do you think I lost? I think so. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this clip. Bye bye.